Welcome to all of you professionals interested in natural language processing and software engineering. This is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy. Today I'd like to share with you the Natural Language Processing with Python Certification Training Program. This program is designed to give you valuable skills including text parsing, stemming, tokenization, POS tagging, and much more from a machine learning perspective using, as the title suggests, the Python programming language. Now, the program is divided into a number of key training modules, each of which, as most of our training programs are, designed to give you a unique, high-demand, marketable skill that will boost your career opportunities and earnings and income potential. The modules in this program include text mining and NLP. Second, extraction, cleaning, and pre-processing of text. Thirdly, analyzing sentence structures, as well as text classification, Part 1, as well as text classification Part 2, and finally, a capstone or in-class project using a sentiment classification data set for movie rating interests and translation. So this program, as you can see, has a lot of rich content built into it and will give you skills along with the certification for your resume to help you move up the machine learning and NLP career path and open up new earnings potential for you in your career. This is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy. I invite you to click on the link below our video. Our website, as always, has the complete course curriculum and will answer any additional questions that you have regarding this valuable program and help you move your career ahead. Signing off, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.